Greetings and salutations. Apologize for the last fiasco. Alert Pilarm. Apparently he's a big YouTube star, and he's also on Spotify. And I've downloaded several of his songs so far. Unfortunately, the music nanny put the kibosh on my video, so I wasn't able to edit the second part of the cracking video to the first part after the battery died. So yeah. So I'm gonna add that now, and then I'll be back with another video from another goodie box. So right now, enjoy some royalty-free tunage. So hopefully the music nannies won't get me. It's beautiful. Royalty-free. I love it. Okay, so yeah, that was the goodie box from Gary Schroeder. And Gary, just so you know, I did not give Max his chew bones yet, or his little cookies yet. I was going to do that on another video, but I got hung up today doing other stuff. So anyway, it's just a mess. It's just, I wake up in the morning to full quality. When I go to sleep at night, I lay my head down on quality. Throughout the day, it's what you've come to expect from the Poochman. The whole QPP program here is state of the art. I'm just gonna let this song finish, and
another quality Poochman production.
What? Where was I? Battery didn't die. What are you talking about? Stupid camera. We were looking at this. The Nomad from Meister. It was Meister, right? Yeah. 55. Cuda Nomad. Right there. Harley Davidson. I'm having trouble. People complain of the car. I don't hold the cars still. They're too close or something. They can't see them. I really got to work on the quality. Quality stinks. But you've come to expect the stinkiness. Oh, look at that. To put a sweet. Oh, a detail on it. Pretty sweet. Oh, buddy, you got using two different kinds of screws, the black ones and the stainless steel. So it rolls nice too. Oh, dang. Okay. Ooh, one of them popped out. Well, what is that? That's a Alfa Romeo 4C. Pete Niche. This a beauty. That's a beauty. Real riders. You got real riders and everything. He spared no expense. Uh-oh. Save that for last. Oh, it popped out. Oh, look at that. 64 Chumpala. Oh, look at the interior, man. It's all detailed out. I don't know if you can see that or not. Little seats detailed. Look at all the lights. The lights. The headlights. Look at the headlights. Gold bumpers, gold trim. It's got the gangster whites on it. Alright, shall we eat? Is that it? Okay, so here we go. The grand finale. Save the best for last. This must be the cootie he's talking about. Let's see. Yeah, feels like a CUDA. Oh, look, it is a CUDA. 57 CUDA. Look at that. The hood opens on that, right? No? Yeah? No? A sweet purple? It's purple. It's a purple people eater. Look at that. But dang. Look at that steering wheel on that thing. Hold on. What the heck? Let me get closer to you. The steering wheel looks like it's like super detailed. Did you add that steering wheel? That steering wheel come with that? I don't know, buddy. Hold it still, Poochman. Hold it still. Why are you always moving stuff around? What are you, like 5 years old? Okay, I just saved the other two goodie boxes for tomorrow. Today's Sunday. No, today's Saturday. Tomorrow's Sunday. See, it's Saturday, then Sunday. Okay, I'm getting tired. I don't know if if you're following me on Instagram, you've seen pictures of PT Cruisers that are getting all chopped up. So I was working on them today. The third one that I bought, it had a sick engine in it. I thought I might be able to salvage it, but I got it all pulled apart tonight. It needs to be bored, needs pistons and board and all that stuff. So I don't know. I'm going to go that route. So I might hold off for another donor car or something, because I need at least a good short block. Put this the first one back together, the black one. So no biggie. But car number 2, it's on the road. Oh baby. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get some sleep now before I keel over. So I will talk to you later. And make sure you charge your batteries. Make sure you charge.